This is Justice Today. My name is Faith Karanja. I'm here at the law firm of Evans Ondieki in Karen, where we have come to know more about law. He's going to tell us what happens in his expertise of profession, where he started, and all your questions are going to be answered. Welcome to our show. This is Justice Today. It's a YouTube channel show where we express more about lawyers and what they do. It's not a field that has been exposed a lot, so we are demystifying more about legal, and one of the best lawyers that we keep on featuring, and you are among them. So welcome to our show. You will first introduce yourself and tell us where you choose this career and what is your expertise, area of expertise, because you will focus more on what is your area.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, my pleasure. My name is Ondieki Evans. I'm a constitutional lawyer, certified. I have my master's degree from the University of Nairobi in constitutional law and good governance. I also have my second master's from the University of Zimbabwe on women's rights and good governance. So I am a governance expert in terms of this anti-corruption laws, procurement act. That's a very good area. That's my area, my discipline. But my practice premised on the constitutional law and land law. Yeah, that's where most of the cases I handle. And I do a lot of cases pro bono. Yeah, pro bono, because we have to assist those who cannot afford.
Yes, yes.
So I assist a lot of ladies, a lot of young men who find themselves in the wrong side of the law.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
What inspired you to do this career in law?
Yeah, this is, from when I was young, I wanted to be a lawyer.
Yes, yes.
Then I married my wife,
Yes.
who is also a lawyer.
Oh, yeah.
So and my two children are lawyers.
Yes, yes.
So I have about 5 lawyers.
It's a legal family.
It's a legal family.
Yes.
So, and it's a good discipline because you don't just say things.
Yes,
You
yes.
digest your facts before you say them, and then you respect other people because you know their rights. You treat people with respect. So it's a good profession because it's a decent profession. It's only that you in all good professions you can never miss challenges.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Can you tell us some of the notable cases that you have covered that have brought impact even to you and to the society?
You know, I'm the one who changed the law to 24-hour rule. Aripanas Masia Mutuku versus the Republic. I argued that case in 2004 in the Court of Appeal. And the Court of Appeal agreed with me that once you have violated the rights of an accused person, then no matter the offense or charge,
Yes, yes.
if you have violated the rights, then the case has to be quashed.
Yes,
And then they also agreed with me that you have to take the suspect to court
yes. Yes,
within the prescribed time.
yes.
So this 24-hour rule is known in common parlance in the courts as the Ondieki principle.
Yes, yes.
Because I'm the one who argued it, and it has changed. It has helped a lot of people.
Yes, yes.
Then I pursued also I declared section 296(2) and 297(2) and constitutional.
Yes.
I'm the one who went to court in petition number 650 of 2011.
Yes, yes.
And a bench of 3 declared those sections unconstitutional.
Yes,
It's only that nobody knows about it.
Oh, okay.
So they still continue using it, although it's actually unconstitutional. And the age was given 1 year to reform the law
Yes, yes.
so that to make it in accord with the new constitution. But I've not followed whether the reforms were ever effected, the amendments.
Yes, yes.
So I've done several cases. I did the Moja case
My case.
in the Supreme Court,
Yes.
the one of Island, where I won back Island.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there are many other cases.
The land located where? Because he
In
has so
Nakuru,
many.
Nakuru,
Oh, in Nakuru.
Nakuru, yeah, Nakuru.
Yeah, in which
You
year?
remember? This one, the decision was released think last year.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Yeah, but I've been doing it all along. I represented one of his companies.
Yes.
Yes.
What makes you stand out as your approach stand out from other lawyers? Because you come out very...
My approach is the methodology.
Oh, okay.
You see, once you take a case, you have to give time, create time for it, research about it, see all the aspects of the case. You should not assume about a case. Once you take instructions, then you have to be committed. Yes, to ensure that that case receives justice.
Yes.
Yeah, so I don't take a case unless I know I'm going to devote time to it.
Yes.
So that the client gets value for their money.
Yes.
And I also get value for my profession. Yes. I enjoy it. Yeah.
There are so many misconceptions and misunderstandings about your area of expertise. Can you tell us some of the misunderstandings that people have about your area, even when they come to seek for help? Maybe some of them, they have been told things that they think are not right, which are right in the law.
No, the problem is our parliament.
Oh, okay.
Our parliament enacts laws according to the constitutional mandate.
Yes.
But they always assume that the people know the law.
Yes, they assume.
Law is not self-implementing.
Yes.
Law needs to be implemented by the stakeholders. Who are the stakeholders? It is the people who implement the law.
Yes.
So the people don't know that there are so many laws that have been enacted by parliament.
Yes.
So they encounter the law once they have either breached it or they are in a mess.
Yes.
So it is very important that parliament incorporates a component of public awareness campaign because their nature of participation, public participation, is so limited to showpiece. They put a notice that there is public participation.
Yes.
Then they select a few friends. They indicate in their frameworks that they have done public participation. Public participation must be real. They must take the law to the people. People must engage the law, look at the weaknesses, the strengths, look at the possible challenges. Then implementing the law will not be as difficult.
Yes.
I can give you the case like the finance bill. So if they knew that there were problems, why did they allow some people to die?
Yes.
Why did they allow make so many people strained? Some people have lost property, some people have lost their lives.
Yes.
And then it is something they should have engaged in advance before. And then you can see they had realized that so many people were against it, but still they pushed it. They they were forcing it. That shows that they are not wise, because law is about the people.
Yes.
So if the law is not going to help the people and the people are against it, how can you implement it? Yes, there must be some resonance of the law with the people. So that you can implement it.
Yes.
Otherwise, you can pass the law on circumcision.
Yes.
But people will continue circumcising the ladies because they don't. To them, it's a culture. So you must go and engage them about their culture and make sure that they have changed and they appreciate the law. Then they can move with you. But if you pass the law, it's isolated, you have left the people behind, then you will have problems implementing it.
In our modern time,
there
are so many changes on technology and social media and other things. Even I've seen some lawyers serving clients through WhatsApp and email and other things. Then how do you keep yourself updated?
We are up to date. You can see my staff are carrying laptops. Each one of them has a laptop. And there is internet. I have internet in the office. I have internet at home. Reliable internet, of course. Because even me, I undergo training on technology. Because like now, we have moved to the age of artificial intelligence.
Yes. Yeah.
Now things can move so fast. This technology has ethical challenges.
Yes. Yes.
How far can be far? How can be far?
Yes,
So
yes.
there are also breaches, challenges.
Yes.
Now we have drones. You can see somebody can send a drone from the neighborhood, and it can violate our privacy.
Yes, yes.
So we need to look at all those things and create guidelines. But our parliament is behind it because instead of pushing people on taxation, let them create legal frameworks, guidelines on control and the management of technology like AI. Yes, because now criminals can send you a drone,
yes,
which can come and steal from you,
yes,
and you don't even know.
You don't know.
Yes, so and there are no guidelines. Neighbors can send a drone which can do damage
yes, yes,
to the neighborhood.
Oh, okay.
And there are no guidelines.
There are no guidelines.
So we need our parliamentarians,
yes,
to stop being mechanical.
Yeah.
Because at the moment they are just passing law mechanically. Yet the law should be able to respond to the new needs, emerging needs. Yeah, so that the people like it, people see the value of the law.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
What advice, sir, would you give to individuals or companies who are already facing legal challenges? There are people who are facing maybe disputes on land, family issues, properties, even companies. There are those that are being demolished or what. What is your advice?
My advice is that now, I think we can say that the CJ has done a good job because she has enhanced and expanded
yes, yes.
arbitration, mediation, and the court annexed mediation frameworks.
Yeah.
So now cases are moving so fast.
Yes,
cases like land, commercial, small claims courts.
Yes.
So I can advise people that the judiciary actually is working. So if there is any dispute and the parties subject themselves to either arbitration, mediation, or any other framework that is available, cases can move within the year, they are concluded.
What do you do to make sure that your clients' needs are met? What approach? Your client communication?
Number one, you have to improve your communication networks.
Yes, yes.
Number two, then you have to create a PR system where you communicate properly and inform them about the progress of the case, the decisions, so that they are able to know immediately in case they want to appeal or they want to do a review or whatever they want to do, they are able to do it immediately within the stipulated time.
Yes, and also how do you tell them how to minimize legal risks?
Because now prevention is better than cure.
Yes,
so sometimes it's good to advise clients to avoid risks. Yes. Oh. And the corporate clients, most of them seek legal opinion whenever they want to engage in activities that would have implications on other people.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So if they get sound legal advice, they are able to avoid.
Of course, in every profession, there are those rewarding areas and there are those challenging areas. So you can tell us maybe 2 rewarding areas and 2 challenges or 3 challenges that you face in the profession. You talked about it earlier, but I would want you to revisit.
Yes, I can say our profession is a good profession because it's a relaxed profession. You choose which work to do and how to do it, as long as you do it professionally.
Yes.
The challenge at the moment is corruption.
Corruption.
Yeah, we are having corruption in institutions where if you want a service from a county or national agencies, you find that the citizens are being asked to pay some amount, which is not properly documented.
Yes.
That is the biggest challenge.
Yes, yes.
And they complain to us, we normally refer them to EACC or to another agency.
Yes.
So if the public can be educated on corruption and the state agencies can also embrace strategies that exclude corruption. That these countries are rich countries.
Yes, yes.
It will progress very fast.
Yes.
So the other challenge is ignorance of the law.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, most people don't know the law until they encounter the law. That's when they realize, oh, I didn't know this was
It was
against the law. Yeah, so we need to do a lot of public education.
Yes, yes.
So like your program is very important. So if we can have it properly sponsored, like the judiciary can support your programs, so that they through awareness. They can be able to carry out public education and awareness campaigns about the law, about the other regulations. And the guidelines, because an informed population, which is enlightened, is a good population.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Ah, that is very good.
And the Kenyans are very resilient. You can see from the way our youth have been able to manage.
Yeah.
So I think what we need is good leadership.
Good leadership.
The problem we are having at the moment is that some leaders are too greedy. Yeah, yes. They want to be in office today and they want to steal public resources.
Yes, yes.
Getting rich is a process.
It's a process.
You have to be patient. If you go to serve the public, go there to serve the public.
Yes,
but don't go to the public with an intention to steal.
To steal from
that
them.
Is evil.
It's evil.
Yes.
So what do you see the future of this specific area of the law, the civil, you deal with the civil law?
Yeah, and the constitutional.
Constitutional law. How do you see the future of this area, and how the impact it will have on individuals and businesses and your clients?
I think
the trends.
Kenya's a very developed legal system.
Yes, yes.
And our courts are working.
Yes.
Because you look at the Court of Appeal, it is working, it is doing very well. The backlog is almost cleared. The president of the Court of Appeal is doing a good job. You look at the High Court, it is also doing an excellent job, because the civil, the commercial, the ELC, the labor, all the divisions are moving.
Yes, yes.
Even the Chief Magistrate's Court, they are working very hard.
They are working.
So I think the future is bright.
Yes.
It's only that we need to educate our population that systems take time to build. Yeah, so you cannot get an excellent system which emerges from nowhere. Systems are built based on the practice and good values.
Yes.
So if they can be able to enhance those good values, then I'm sure the future is bright.
Yeah, and the second last question, do you have any books or resources that you can share with either students who are upcoming or other expertise in your area?
Yes. I do train. My office is like an academy.
Yes.
I train a lot of pupils.
Yes, yes.
On good practice.
Yes, yes.
I have a lot of books. I have a library there, and I have a library at my place.
Yes, yes.
A big one, so which is well equipped.
Okay.
So I can always donate those kind of articles, books, and magazines to assist people, because an enlightened population is a good population.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Now this is about you now, our senior lawyer. How can individuals or businesses get in touch with you? And if they are in need of legal assistance or advice, now where can they locate you?
Yes, we have a website. It's only that it's been dormant, and I need to give you. We are actually premised at Nyumba Moja Road.
Oh, okay.
This is called Nyumba Moja Road. Nyumba Moja is this Nyumba Moja.
Oh, it's this one.
These other buildings came much later.
Oh, okay.
That's why it was called Nyumba Moja Road.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so we have an email, we have telephone numbers, and we have a physical office. So people can always get us.
Okay.
Yes.
The website is?
The website is Ondieki Ondieki.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
If they come here, I'm sure they will get the contact and
they will get,
Yeah, thank you very much, sir. And we have come to a conclusion of our interview. It's very detailed, and I'm sure our clients are going to get all the answers, even when they follow from the website.
Yeah.
And we appreciate your time.
I'm grateful also.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.